Lay out the loop antenna in the room. Use existing score lines in the concrete if they will work with the loop design. Mark the cut lines on the floor with a chalk line or laser, or follow the grout line between tiles. Adjust the depth of the cut to allow for the number of wires that will be installed in the groove. There can be as many as 2 or 3 wires in each cut, depending on the antenna design. Cut the concrete with a saw designed for the task. A wet saw is best to reduce dust. This is what the saw cut looks like before the wire is installed. Installing wire in concrete carries a certain amount of risk. At the time of this filming, there is not a wire coating that is rated to be installed without additional protection in concrete because it is caustic and will attack the wire coating. The amount of moisture, type of wire coating, and other factors will determine how long it will last without failure, but it will be measured in years and possibly decades rather than weeks. Be sure to test the loop before grouting the wire permanently into the floor. Color match the grout to the concrete or floor to minimize the line visibility. This is the finished product.